Strap retracts for easy storage and no tangling. Easy bolt-on function, hardware included. Zinc housing and hardware. Vinyl-coated S-hooks protect boat's finish. 1 pair. Fit type. Vehicle-specific. Fulton retractable transom tie-down comes with a zinc finish housing. Comes with a retractable ratchet with 8,330 pounds load capacity and 2,500 pounds brake strength. 2-inch x 43-inch nylon strap retracts for easy storage and no tangling. Vinyl-coated S-hooks protects boat finish. Easy bolt-on function, hardware included. 2-inch strap ratchets from 14-inch to 43-inch. Packaged in a pair. Top reviews from the United States. So far they are working as they should. Got this 4 months ago and they are still working good. I have to put some grease on it already, but they are working at least. I'm using on a 24 feet boat.